guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel guys. So I'm back again with yet another styling video. पर इस वीडियो में हम कोई outfit style ना करके we'll be styling some accessories. So I am talking about the most favorite accessory of girls, which is, yes, we're talking about bags. So I have the sling bag here which has chain strap, and I'm going to style it in 4 different ways. Other than the conventional ones, how we normally do sling bag को we use as either shoulder bag or cross body bag. So इसके अलावा 4 styles आप देखने वाले हैं वीडियो में. और just for your information, the first look is my personal favorite. इनमें से अगर आपको कोई भी स्टाइल अच्छा लगता है सो प्लीज़ गिव दिस वीडियो अ थम्स अप. एंड अगर आपने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, प्लीज़ डू सो फॉर more such videos. Also, if you guys want to connect with me, you can reach me at my Insta ID, which is below in the description box or somewhere popping on the screen. So yes, without any further ado, let's get into the video.